Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix USB connector connected and disconnected issue on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to about phone. Now just select software information and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer mode. Now once you enable developer mode, just go back and tap on developer options. Now just enable USB debugging. After that, just tap on default USB configuration and select charging only. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just check if the charger of your smartphone is damaged or not, and also check if the charger is loose while it is connected to your phone. If you have one of these problems, try changing the charger of your smartphone. And if this did not fix your issue either, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix USB connector connected and disconnected issue on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.